description.
Trees! 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 Trees!
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Use the go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Yamadai with their original kimchi ramen, and that's what's steeping up in the pot today. Today is the 21st day of January 2024 or 2025, which is a day of days, a day of destiny, a day of things and stuff. So yeah, yesterday was the inauguration. It was weird and unsettling, strange, and a lot of things were said that didn't make a lot of sense to me. Nothing much about the price of eggs. 3 minutes. And honestly, it was about as expected. So yeah. And what else happened this weekend? Cleaned the bathrooms. Used a lot of Formula 409. I love that stuff. That's like the champagne of the bathroom, I swear to God. And mopped the floors. Got a really good deal on energy drinks for $1 a pop. Every weekend at Super Supplements, they usually have some energy drink. It's $1 each. So that's pretty groovy. Got a ton of those. I used to drink 2 energy drinks a day. These days I drink 1. Actually, yesterday I did have 2, but I digress. The reg for me is just 1 now. And yeah, I just got back, did a nice walk. And yeah. So yeah, I don't know. I don't have a lot to talk about today. Just kind of getting back into the swing of the reviews. The inauguration thing and holiday, I mean, I'm down with MLK Day big time. But, you know, the kids didn't go to school, stuff like that. It's like, they were bummed. It's so strange to me still. When I was a kid, it was like a day off. Sweet, I'm all over it. They're like, I'm bored. I don't get to see my friends at school. I want to go back to school. They don't like summer break. They don't like winter break. We're lame parents. We're really boring. I guess that's the deal. That was, I just like did a bunch of stuff, didn't get in trouble, and yeah, I liked time off from school when I was a kid. They're weird animals. That's okay. It's their thing. And it is cold. Very cold. When I got up this morning, it was 26 degrees. Turn on the old heat. I don't like turning on the heat, but I do when it's cold. And yeah, I'm just kind of be glad to be back in the ramen cycle of things. I'm working on that quite a bit lately. Got a bunch of neat new stuff. Alright. So, let's finish this one up. Wow, this thing is such a pain. Although that's not a bad shot. Water or powder, A lot of noodle in this one. I'll have to take some of that out when I plate it so you can actually see the broth. Liquid. Ooh, it's that cold. The seasoned oil or whatever it is kind of congealy. That doesn't happen in the summer so much. Should be more of a kimchi paste. All right. Oh man. Okie dokie. Here's our noodle. Looks pretty standard. Yeah. Oh, why did I grab another fork? Broth, and this does have a generous amount of kimchi in there. And it is good. Yeah, that's a good one. I like that. Kind of tends to be a little saltier, but it's pretty good. All right. Let me fix this. Sorry about that. Let's put it together. Yeah, see what I mean? There's a lot of noodle in this one, which is great, you know. But for plating, that helps with it. Okay. Alright, let's put her together. We got some chashu. Very red broth. I will say that. Needs a little heat. Whoop. All right. And we'll do some scallion. And I still need to get sesame seed. I keep forgetting to do that. Oh wait, I was gonna throw an egg in here. Oh god. Well, we don't have to have egg in this one. I think I will forego egg just so I can not have to make more eggs tomorrow. And a little bit of seed. And there you go. That's what I'm doing to that one. Yeah, I'll use egg on the next one. The next one is going to be chicken flavor. So chicken, egg, you know. Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. And the next one you're going to see is this. This is Thai authentic chicken curry ramen. This is something you'd find at a, what do you call it? What is that? I swear it says museum on it. Anyway, you can find stuff like that one at Dollar Tree stores. So, yeah, and generally that range is pretty good. I'm enthused about this. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'll see you on the next show. Have a good one. Bye-bye.